The hub, the central communication interface that allows you to control and program your Fable robot. The X module allows you to quickly and easily expand the possibilities of the robots you can build. Fable Spin Caster provides stable support for your wheeled Fable Go robots. Micro USB cable connects smartphones, laptops, tablets, and peripherals. Fable Foam Soccer Ball for Fable Go robotic soccer activities and challenges. Accessory adapter connects smaller Fable accessories to the main robot modules. Phone holder up. Securely mount a smartphone onto your Fable robot creations. Fable Plow allows your robots to push, move, or collect objects. Pen holder. Securely attach a pen or marker to your Fable robot. Fable Spin module provides the intelligent power and sensing capabilities for movement. Fable wheels provide the necessary traction for the robot to move effectively. Indicates pairing status, power state, battery level, and potential errors of the module.